Hey all, a lot of times it will be asked to you that to install AWS CLI in your local system in Windows. So let us learn today how to install AWS CLI in your Windows and how to use that from PowerShell. So basically, why you will be installing AWS CLI? Many times you need to create. Many times what you have to do, you need to create, suppose, SSL certificates from backend. You need to create a Docker image and then push it to ECR. So you need to log in to the ECR, that also through AWS CLI. So many things are there. Like you need to copy something to your S3 bucket. All this requires your AWS CLI. Maybe you need to run a script that is calling AWS CLI. So in your local, it is one of the mandatory tasks which you need to do to install an AWS CLI. So how to install that? We'll open the PowerShell. Okay, PowerShell. You can open that PowerShell in an administrator mode. Okay, once you have that PowerShell in an administrator mode, what you will be doing, search in Google AWS CLI install Windows. Once you come here, click on this, and then if you see here, you will find there are a lot of um, platforms are there. Like for Linux, you need to follow these steps. For now, we are actually focusing on Windows. Why? Because we wanted to set up our machine before we start working. So we will try to read this documentation where it says that you can download and run the AWS CLI MSI installer. So this is how you can install through MSI. Okay, there is another way which is like Choco install. So you need to have Choco as a package manager, and then you can just run AWS CLI. Currently, I don't have Choco, which I will create. If you give now, it will error out. Why? Because I don't have Choco installed in my laptop. So I can install using Choco. This is a package manager. Will not get an updated version. So we should install using this for now. I can also show you this Choco. In company, we use sometimes Choco. Okay, but for now, let us see this way. We will copy this command. We'll run. Okay, this is version 2 for various parameters that can be used with MSN. Okay, it is like for silent installation, you will use QN parameter. But we want an interactive way because this is one-time activity. Just run this. It will ask you next. Pretty simple. Let's see. While it is installing, I'll just pause the video. It's getting installed now. So while it is getting installed, let us discuss like um, after it is installed, what will you do or what we will do next in our next video. We'll try to show you some AWS commands which you will be running generally in your company. Some general AWS command. I'll create a separate video for you on. So please subscribe to our channel as soon as possible. There are other videos also like how to, if you want to learn Docker, if you want to um, learn, let me show you. There are how many videos we have uploaded. If you go here, you see there are so many videos which we have uploaded. Like if you want to learn Docker, if you want to learn shell scripting, if you want to learn Azure, the complete curriculum is here. There will be a lot of projects. Okay. If you want to learn DevOps on AWS, Python scripting, and the if you want to learn in Telugu DevOps on AWS, there are around 30 hours of content which we have uploaded. So please do subscribe to our channel for more such videos. In AWS interview questions, okay, that is also there. And then there are a lot of interview questions which we have uploaded. Let us see if it is installed or not. See, it's installed now. And now let us do AWS hyphen hyphen version. Okay. So it's not showing. Let me open another. You see, it is showing us the version. This says that we have installed our AWS CLI successfully. Now you can run a lot of commands like AWS S3 LS. But when we run this, it should go and locate the credential and it should show you the S3 bucket, all the S3 bucket. So we will see maybe in the next video how to create our credentials, how can you access the AWS console from your local. Okay, thank you. Let's meet on our next video. Till then, subscribe to our channel and study and happy learning. Thank you.